Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. How are you all? I hope you all fine, enjoying your life well. Today we are hooking up a eco-friendly crochet granny square designs ideas. Hope so you like this video and hope so you like this all the ideas, all the designs and all the projects. So please watch this video till end and please tell me in comment section which type of new video you want to see in my YouTube channel. I will upload it next video about your comment. Get ready to create a timeless and versatile crochet project. In this video we will be making a stylish granny square using yarn and technique. Learn how to crochet these classy design and create beautiful blanket and coaster, cup coaster, crochet work, flowers and different ideas with the help of crochet work granny square. If you want more information about crochet work granny square and different tips and tricks, so please tell me in comment section. I will upload it next video about your comment. First, let's start with the foundation chain. Next, we will add the pattern and texture. And to complete the square, we will use techniques and decor your granny square with the help of different crochet work, flowers, applique work, beads, pearls, stones, petals and many other things you use and decor your granny square easily. Experiment with different yarn color and texture and embellishment like button, beads, pearls, stones, bunches, applique work and many different ideas you use and decor your granny square easily. You decor your granny square and attach with each other with the help of needle and yarn and make these all the collections such as blanket, cushions cover, pillow covers, ladies crop top, bags and many other ideas you make these all the ideas and decor your bags easily. If you want more information, so please visit my YouTube channel and watch my more different ideas about crochet work and knitting work. Try using different stitches pattern to granny square. Add embellishment like button or applique. Add that and that's it. Your granny square is complete and ready to use. Thanks for stitching along with me today. Do not forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell to alert my daily routine videos that I upload daily for you, such as crochet work tutorials and different ideas detailed. Share your finished granny square with us on social media account using hashtag. Check out our next new video about granny square, blanket pattern and many different ideas. Happy hooking. We will see you in the next video. Take care. Okay viewers, keep watching my more different ideas till end and keep praying for me. I love you. Live long. Okay viewers, bye bye.